These days, it seems like buying a house is the end game. But when it comes to buying a house, how should you buy it? Should you buy it in cash or should you buy a mortgage or credit? Answer to this question really depends on you, dog. Some people like mortgages because of the tax benefits or because it's easier on the bank account, but some people want to buy the house straight up, dog. Because also when you buy cash, nah, you can sometimes get away with a lower offer than what the house is valued at. If you get a mortgage, you're gonna pay 1.5 million for a 1 million rand house. However, if you buy cash, you might be able to convince the seller to sell it to you for 700k. Why? Because if you're doing a mortgage, you're taking out a loan, bro. And if you're taking out a loan, we have to check your credit history. We have to check your bank statements. We have to check your income, bro. There's a whole loan application process. There's papers and documents that need to be signed. Someone needs to evaluate your credit worthiness. But then when you just pull up with cold hard cash, it's a lot less hassle, it's gonna be a quicker process. From a seller's point of view, you gotta think about it like, why would I deny this oak who's gonna pay me 700k tomorrow? Why would I deny him in favor of waiting for some oak to go through a loan application process to which at any point he can just say, you know what, I don't have the money. Or the bank can tell you, this guy, his income is not stable, or he could lose his job next week. Bro, your loan application process is so that we can find any reason as to why you wouldn't be able to pay this house. Maybe you get fired. Maybe your kid wants to go to an expensive university, dog. So cash is the best because cash, I can see it. It's there. It's not imaginary. It's not based on if you're employed. It's not based on if things go well in your business. No, the cash is here. So if you pay cash, Oaks are willing to take maybe a 200k deduction of the home's value, bro, because it's actual money. It's not a payment plan. All credit is a payment plan, but not everyone wants to be on a payment plan. Some people actually have it like that. Furthermore, your house does not have to sell. Just because there's a for sale sign, some oak like this, doesn't mean your house has to be bought by anybody, dog. That thing can sit on the market for years, bro. So if you want to turn away people who pay in cash just because they offer to pay 200, 300k less, aware, boy, aware. Now you get nothing, bro.